Hello.
Hello, Kathy. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am great.
What's your name?
My name is Mohammed Ramzan.
Mohammed Ramzan. It's nice to
Y-
meet you.
yes, thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Tell me, is this your first time on Cambly?
Yes, I have the first time. I am practicing from last 1 week.
Okay, welcome to Cambly.
Thank you.
How long have you studied English?
Actually, I had the English medium throughout my career, but in the time of schooling, I couldn't able to practice my spoken English.
Yeah.
So I had not that much confidence to communicate with the people who are native speakers like you. And now I am feeling more comfortable.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Congratulations. I know learning a language from a book is not the same.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I'm curious. Why do you want to learn English?
Yes, the important thing is like I am a software developer and I have a lot of clients on different countries. So there are a lot of meetings and I have to understand their problems, and then accordingly I have to make them sure that
Yep.
what's the solution and how to manage everything. And I have to write the emails, and also because of it I have needed the English communication skill. So
Yep.
that is most important for me, because in order to connect with all those people who are non-Indian, who are not living in my country, so definitely they have the only option to communicate in English.
Yes, absolutely. Plus, honestly, since the beginning of programming started in California, there's so much more information that's available in English than in any other language.
Yes, that is also important. Yes.
Yes. What kind of projects do you work on?
I have types of projects. One is like troubleshooting, and other
Mhm.
one is like from the very scratch. I take the project and try to develop the websites and mobile apps, and I have my own products as well. So I'm working on that.
That's really cool. What kind of projects are you working on for yourself?
Yes, I have some mobile apps which
Yeah.
I am about to launch in the next month.
Yeah.
And other than that, I have a website on SEO tools.
Okay.
Yes, so that is also I have already implemented everything, and now that is in the market.
Nice. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
Mhm.
And what's your profession? You are on the Cambly, or you are also doing something else?
Okay, so it's kind of interesting, but I am actually a designer. And for my degree, I had to study a little bit of web design, so HTML, CSS, and then just a little bit of Java. But I ended up doing lighting design, um, and I also have a master's degree in art history, but art history is not a job,
Okay.
you know. Um, but I travel and I teach on Cambly. And I started traveling at the beginning of 2019. And
Mhm.
I love Cambly because, well, I love teaching online in general because I can be anywhere in the world and do this at any
Yes.
time that's convenient for me, you know?
Yes.
Yes. If I had more math skills, I wish that I had learned more of the um, back end of web development, you
Uh-huh.
know, but I'm just not talented in math.
Yes, actually, we have the algorithms, data structure. So in that, we have
Yeah,
needed a little bit of math. So
yeah,
obviously, if we have good skills in problem solving, then definitely we have the opportunity to learn a lot of technologies which are latest. And even you already know that we have machine learning, artificial intelligence, and all that has required a bit of math,
yes,
because there are calculations, designs, and everything.
yes. My little sister, she has a degree in economics, but she is really gifted in math. She is really good
Hmm.
at it. took extra math. She almost could have had a math major, but she didn't. But especially statistics. And, you know, economics is not a job like art history, you know. But this girl, she was without a job, and she decided to learn Python. She learned Python in 6 months, and now she is a Python programmer, and she makes $80,000.
$80,000.
$80,000, yes. And she does not even have to live in California. She lives in New Orleans, which is a much cheaper city. And I was like, wow, that's awesome. I wish that I could do that. But the reason that they like her for this job is because she has the math skills.
Yes. So
You know?
she is only expert in Python, and then after she's doing projects, and she's in the company, or she has freelancing.
She's in a company.
Okay.
Yeah. She's in a company. She's a very dedicated, hardworking person. So I'm sure that she's working on something else. I just haven't asked her about it recently. I was just excited for her that she would seriously just learned Python, and right away she had a job. I was like, if I tried to do that, they would be like, what? Who are you? You have no experience, no qualification, go away.
Yes, that is important, because you already know that within 6 months she prepared herself, and then finally end up with a job with a handsome salary.
Yes, exactly. Yes. So your freelance projects you work on for yourself, but do you ever do freelance projects for other companies?
Yes, actually, I was working in a company for 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
And then after I started my own work, and over there I got the projects from clients from the foreign countries, and I tried to complete those projects. And other than that, I had my own project, and I was working on that.
Yes.
So yes, nowadays I have divided my schedule in 2 parts. The first one is to serve the clients, and the other part is to work on my own projects.
Yes. And then pretty soon it won't be 50%, 50%. It'll be like 80%, 20%. And then it'll be all your own projects.
100%. Yes, that is important.
Yes.
And nowadays you already know that we have, for example, our own product that is software. So we always develop it once, and then that is reused, and you have needed only a simple maintenance.
Yes.
And just we have enough opportunity to market that and earn a lot. Yes.
How do your clients find you? Do you have your own website just for finding clients, or do you use a different?
I basically registered on Fiverr.
Really? And Fiverr's working?
Yes, Fiverr has just given me a lot of clients, because over there I mentioned my skills, and they were trying to connect with me, and then after I forget about the Fiverr, and they are directly connected
already.
Yes. Yes, on Skype and Zoom meeting, and also we are connected on WhatsApp and all.
Awesome. Yes. I've thought about doing Fiverr before, because I can do graphic design work very easily on Fiverr, but there are so many people already doing that.
That doesn't matter, but if you have some skills, then you have to mention over there, because in some cases they are just going through the profile, and if someone is giving you the task, and maybe you have mentioned few dollars for that.
Yes.
So in that way, if you are getting good ratings, and later on if you have 5 or more projects, and later on your ranking would be improved, and at the end you will have a good business.
Yes, that makes sense, because once you get rankings, then you can charge more, because people will know that you're reliable.
Yes.
It looks like
and other people are also giving the reviews, so the customers are just clients are reading those reviews, and accordingly they are selecting you.
Yes. Yes. It looks like we're out of time, Mohammed, but I'd love to
Yes,
talk
okay,
to
no
you
problem.
again next time.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.